So Jesus, knowing all things that were coming upon him, went forth and said to them, "Whom do you seek?" This is when they came to arrest him. And they answered, "Jesus the Nazarene." And he said to them, "I am." And Judas also, who was betraying him, was standing with them. So when he said to them, "I am," they drew back and fell to the ground. Therefore he asked them again, "Whom do you seek?" And they said, "Jesus the Nazarene." And Jesus answered and said, "I told you that I am. So if you seek me, let these go on their way." To fulfill the word which he spoke, "Of those whom you have given me, I did not lose one." So Simon Peter pulled out a sword, and he struck the high priest's slave, cut off his ear, and this is the slave's name, Malchus. And Jesus said to Peter, "Put this sword back in the sheath. The cup which the Father has given me, shall I not drink it?" Now I want you to go down to verse 17. I'm painting a picture. Then the slave girl who kept the door said to Peter, this is during the trial, "Surely you are not also one of these men's disciples." And he said, "I am not." Further down, John 18, verse 21, Jesus says during his trial, "Why do you question me? Question those who have heard what I spoke to them. They know what I said." Verse 25, now Simon Peter was standing and warming himself, and they said to him, "You are not also one of his disciples too, are you?" And he denied it and said, "I am not." And he continued to deny until the rooster crowed. Now, why did I bring all this up, and what does this have to do with Easter? I want to go back through it and see if you picked up on this, okay? 3 times in the passage, it says, Jesus said, "I am. I am, I am, I am." And then we immediately see Peter, his best friend, say what? "I am not, I am not, I am not." We see Jesus tell him, "Take me," and then we see Peter say, "No, no, 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 take him." We see Jesus say, "Question those who heard my teaching." And who's the one who heard most his teaching? Simon Peter. And what did he say? "I am not." We see Jesus blessing and praying for blessing for his disciples in John 17. But then we see Peter cursing Jesus by the fire. We see Jesus kneeling before his Father in agony, and then standing tall to face death. And then we see Peter cower to a slave girl. Do you see it? While Jesus says, and I want you to think about you now, and us, and the cross. While Jesus says, "I am, I am, I am," we often say, "I am not, I am not, I am not." When Jesus says, "Take me," we say, "Take him." When Jesus asks for a defense, what do? We offer an attack. When Jesus blesses, we curse. When he stands tall, we cower. Yet Jesus looked right at us while he was on the cross from eternity past, saw us for what we would be, and died anyway. It's not too late for you. It's not too late for me. We can say, "I am not." We can say, "Take him." We can curse and we can cower. But Jesus already knows that. Doesn't he? He already knows how weak we are, and yet he saw us on the cross. That is love if I've ever heard it. And he died for us anyway. Amen? You want to say it one more time, louder? Amen?
Amen.